These abandoned theme AI videos are going viral right now, pulling millions of views, and people are quietly making serious money from them. This one video got 140 million views, and if we consider a $0.5 RPM, he has made more than $70,000 from this single AI video. I started testing this niche myself, and one of my first uploads already crossed serious traction way faster than I expected. And now, of course, the gurus have caught on. You'll see tutorials popping up everywhere. But here's the problem. The real sauce magically lives inside their paid course. But in this video, I'm giving you the actual method for free. No aged accounts, no guessing why you're stuck at 0 views. I'll show you how to make these abandoned style AI videos using mostly free tools, how to make them look real instead of fake, and how to structure them so the algorithm actually pushes them. And I will also tell you a method to earn without monetizing the account yourself. And trust me, if you miss even one step in this video, you'll end up with content that looks cool but dies at 300 views. Why this niche is blowing up right now. Before I show you how to make the videos, you need to understand why this niche is exploding. Right now, platforms like TikTok and Shorts are obsessed with realism. People are burned out on filters, cartoons, and over-edited junk. But when they see something that looks like a real abandoned place, their brain freezes for a second. They stop scrolling, they zoom in, they start questioning, is this real? That moment of confusion is everything. That's why abandoned malls, decayed animatronics, forgotten movie sets, empty theme parks, all of this performs insanely well. You don't need a voice, you don't need to be an artist, you just need to make the viewer feel like they're watching a lost documentary clip. That's the game. Most people think these videos go viral because they look creepy. That's wrong. They go viral because they follow 3 rules. Number first, realism over beauty. If it looks too clean, too perfect, or too AI-ish, people scroll. Number second, logic matters. If something in the scene doesn't make sense, the illusion breaks instantly. And number third is movement. The human brain is addicted to motion. Static images die. Once you understand those 3 things, this niche becomes repeatable. Now let me show you exactly how to do it. How to make the videos. Go to one of the popular videos of this account, screenshot any frame from the video like this. For example, I took out the Shrek ones, then went to Google Gemini and selected Nano Banana. It's 100% free. Upload that screenshot to it. Now go to this prompt document and copy this prompt. Let the last part of the prompt as it is, and in this bracket put whatever you want to do. For example, I told it to change the character from Shrek to Pol from Kung Fu Panda. You can see it's very high quality, but you will see that there it also generates the Find Related Content tab in the image. Just ask it to remove it and it's gonna remove it. Now you can always select a Nano Banana from below and ask it to do multiple changes. For example, I asked him to change his pants color from red to black and add toys on his table. And you can see it generated the perfect image. Now you can even ask it to generate the angles, add or remove stuff or anything you can imagine, creating a sequence. One image is not a video. We need a storyboard. Go back, Google Nano Banana and ask for the same scene from a side angle, then a close-up detail shot. Now you have a wide shot, a profile shot, a detail shot. This instantly makes your content feel cinematic instead of lazy, turning images into video without ruining it. Now we need to add motion in the video, but before that, let me tell you about this store called Profit Profiles. Here you can get a monetized TikTok account where you can start posting and start earning from day 1. The monetization requirements are already completed, you just need to post. I'm not affiliated with them, it's just my personal suggestion. Alright, now to animate the images. Upload your first image into this AI video tool called Kling AI. Make sure you are in the image to video section. Now in the prompt box, you can ask the AI anything to do like zoom in, ask it to add dust particles, make the sunlight brighter, shifting shadows, or add floating dust. But listen carefully. The prompt here is not describing the character. It's describing the camera. We are not animating the object, we are animating the space around it. Repeat this for all 3 images. Congratulations, you just made a short film. Editing, where most people fail. Now we need to edit the video to make sure our video looks better than other creators who just directly upload random AI stuff. To do that, first drop the clips into CapCut. First thing you'll notice, they look cool but too clean, so we dirty them up. Lower the temperature, add a slight green magenta tint, crush the shadows, add vignette. This creates discomfort, and discomfort keeps people watching. Then add a mist or fog effect. Not too much, just enough to add depth. This tells the viewer's brain, this is a movie. Alright, that's all. I hope you liked this tutorial. Here's the video I generated.